Hey, hey, hey. All right, this morning we are going to chat about how to get that beach wave that everyone is wanting to know how to get. So here's the thing with the beach wave. I think everybody overthinks it. I know in the beginning I did too. So the tools that you're going to need, I'm going to do half of my head with a flat iron and the other half of my head with a curling iron. So you can see how the curls look a little bit different. And if you're more comfortable with a flat iron, cool. If you're more comfortable with a curling iron, then you can see both ways. Parting is key. I always say, make sure you part your hair when you're doing it. Sometimes you might think that it takes longer. It actually is a lot faster to part your hair. So I'm also going to be using heat protectant on my hair. I'm just gonna lightly mist everything. It doesn't have to be every single section. So just a light mist will help it. I'm gonna section and make it really simple for you guys. So I'm gonna section the top crown of my head and I'm just gonna pin it up to start off with. All right, super easy. All right, then I am going to take, and I'm gonna use my hands. I a lot of times use a comb when I'm doing this, but I know a lot of you've expressed that that's kind of hard, so I'm just gonna use my fingers this time because that's probably what the majority of you are gonna use when you're doing it. Okay, the trick with we're gonna start with flat iron. The trick with a beach wave is I think we've been so used to having to curl every single part of our hair that's where we get messed up. So the beach wave, where we want to focus the curl is from here to here. The ends are going to be straighter. So here we go with the flat. It's a little weird doing it on camera. So going down, 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 and out. See, you've got the concentration is here, and then these are more straight. Same thing back here. Do it again. And with the flat iron, you turn it 180 degrees, down, 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 and out. So it's really nice and soft, okay? Super easy. We're overthinking it a lot, I think. I'm gonna go over to this side and I'm gonna do it with a curling iron, okay? I like to curl away from my face. So taking the curling iron, again, a little strange on video. See, that's where that little handle comes in handy down at the bottom. Did you notice I didn't put the ends in? Again, that's where you get the beach wave look. Doing the same thing over here. Pulling it out, taking my iron, clamping it on. All right. Kind of walking it out. Leaving those ends out. And down. So we do that throughout the whole head. Again. And nice and soft. And then you're just gonna comb it through. Do you see how you get that nice soft wave? Same with over here. See the difference? This one's a little bit more curled where this is a little softer. Then you're gonna bring the top down and you're just gonna repeat what I showed you before. Again, normally I have a comb, but I know a lot of you have expressed that it's a little hard to have in your hand at the same time. Popping it out. Do one more over here for you. Keeping it nice and simple and shaking it out into there. All right. Okay, we'll go over to the flat iron side one more time. Again, clamp. And out. I personally like a flat iron just because I think it's easier to use and it's faster to me. I can usually do my whole head of curls in under 5 minutes. And trust me, I've timed myself in the morning doing this when I've run late with kiddo. So I can do my whole head in 5 minutes or less. Do you see how simple it is with that flat iron? It's like I can almost just put it on slower, 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 and quicker. And then shake it up. And then you've got your beach waves for the day. Super simple. I'll probably finish with a little shine spray. And for me, I usually pop it with a little hairspray. Hear the soft squirts versus the big. And that's as easy as it has to be for those beach waves. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. I know you've asked that a lot on how to do a beach wave. This side was with a curling iron, this side with a flat iron.